here we go, F10, wheel speed sensor time, because every light on the dash is on. Just about every light that can light up on this thing. All right, so real quick, I did the axles and brakes and rotors all the way around this, front axles. And I did pick up this cool little Foxwell NT710 scanner. Everything kind of leads to the wheel speed sensors. Maybe driver's side. Well, I'm not gonna mess around with it. I ordered both. So we're gonna do the left and the right and jump right into it. So I'm gonna get this thing up in the air, get the wheels off, and we'll get them speed sensors out. So this should be a super simple job. You've got a 10 mil holding in your wheel speed sensor right there. And then the line comes around, you're gonna have to unclip it here. You've also got your wear pad wear sensor here as well, but then they both come up into this little junction box kind of that holds the connector, and then you just gotta disconnect that guy right there, because this one is the wheel speed sensor and mine's full of dirt and debris. But yeah, right there, pull that clip up, slide it out, 10 mil down here, pull that bad boy out. All right, I did get the old one out. Yeah, I don't even know how they work. Magnet, I'm assuming. But I did have to do a little bit of finagling to kind of get it from behind one of the lines, and this keeper was bent, you know, just a couple of things. You got to fish it through there. So now that that's out, I'm gonna get the new one ready. And these are, oh yeah, came unclipped fine. This thing's just full of stuff though. Yeah, so the new ones are side dependent. So I ordered mine from the same guy. Link in the description below, but you got front right, and then we'll be doing front left first. Maybe. Yep, there we go. Front left. So we'll get this bad boy put in and hopefully get the other side done, and hopefully that fixes the problem. All right, as you can see, wheel speed sensors in, bolted in, and then I just fed it the plug back through the other way because I didn't want to push the sensor through here. So I fed everything in the other way. Down here in these two holders, this clip here, you just kind of push it in there. It's no big deal. I had to loosen that guy up. I didn't want to damage this new one at all. And then it fits into that keeper, and then behind the brake line, up through here, and then back into the box where it's plugged in. And yep, good to go. So this side is done. So now I'm going to go ahead and tackle the other side. I don't know, guys. So I started her back up, and I'm getting all the codes again. I got my scanner on it, and I tried to erase the codes, and most of them came right back. So maybe I just got to drive it so it can sense the new sensors. I don't know. We'll see. So if it's not the wheel speed sensors, the axles didn't fix it, what in the world could it be? I mean, the Foxwell scanner scans a lot more, so I'll see. But I mean, it says ABS. It's got the ABS, the brake light, chassis malfunction. Oh well. Back to the drawing board, I guess. Yeah, I'll see what the scanner says, and then I'll Google all those codes and see what happens. But man, it sucks too, because my 335 Xi is at the local shop who kind of specializes in BMWs, just because I don't want to deal with that car and I'd like it fixed. So we'll see if they give me any news. It's been there for 2 days and I haven't heard anything, so that kind of makes me worry a little bit. But obviously. But anyway, that's how easy it is to replace wheel speed sensors, especially if you don't need them. Like me. Alright, so just to follow up and bring a happy ending to the story. The issue wasn't the wheel speed sensor, it wasn't the axles, it wasn't the brakes. It was a 5-amp fuse that blew. And the 5-amp fuse that blew is number 2 behind the glove compartment, and that supplies power not only to the DSC module, but also the comfort access door handles. So I have an issue with the driver's side, the left side. Neither of the front or the back comfort access handles work. They do on the passenger side. So what I wound up finding out online was that when they start acting up, they will actually pop that fuse, and when it acted up, it was raining. So I'm assuming that the rain hit the handle and whatever, I don't know, must have been warm, I don't know, whatever. Either way, popped that fuse. So I'm gonna stock up on 5-amp fuses, the little guys, and the handles are expensive, but I either go in and disconnect them or replace them, and I'd rather replace them because I like the comfort access. So yep, that'll be another video when I get them. So hopefully I can eBay them for less than brand new price, because they're pretty pricey. All right, well, that is the end of the story. So all right, hopefully this helps you guys out. Till we meet again, later.